Hey friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I am making this amazing and a delicious recipe of fiery chicken. This is a Chinese recipe and it is having all the flavors of sweet, sour, and has a lot of heat to it. So let's get started. The ingredients are very simple here. So at first I'm marinating the chicken. I'm using your boneless chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces and adding in some cornstarch or corn flour. All the measurements are there in the description box. Some black pepper powder, salt as per your taste, and mix everything well. Now it's time for me to fry the marinated chicken. I've kept it for 10 minutes and then I'm going to fry it in a hot wok. I'm adding enough oil to deep fry the chicken pieces. One by one I'm adding in the marinated pieces and going to fry it until it becomes light golden brown in color and it's going to be completely crispy. Once the chicken pieces are crispy on both the sides, I'm going to put them aside in a separate plate. Just look at the crispy pieces of the chicken. It looks so beautiful and crispy and juicy. Now in the same wok, I'm adding 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil and then adding slit green chilies. You can add as much of green chilies you want to make it as hot as possible. And then you're going to add the chopped garlic cloves. Fry it until it turns light golden brown in color. Once it has turned light golden brown in color, I'm adding all the other vegetables which I'm using. First, I'm using the chopped onions. So I'm adding those into the wok. Then the red and the green bell peppers and going to fry it in high flame. I'm not going to fry the veggies a lot. I want to keep it crispy as possible and not soggy. Now I'm going to add the chicken bouillons cube, and this is completely optional. It gives a very nice flavor. Now the best part, adding the sauces. Adding in at first green chili sauce, tomato ketchup, then the red chili sauce, some hoisin sauce, and this is also optional. If you don't have it, you can just skip it. Not to forget, add the red chili oil. This oil gives such a nice flavor to this chicken recipe. And lastly, I'm adding the soy sauce. Now going to mix all the Chinese sauces well with the vegetables and going to stir fry them in high flame for 1 to 2 minutes, not much. The sauces already has lots of salt in it, so as per your taste, just add in a little bit of salt. Once the rawness of the sauces goes away, I will be adding in the crispy fried chicken. Now I'm going to toss in all the sauces, vegetables and the crispy chicken together and going to stir fry them well. Already I've started having the hunger pangs. Now I will be adding at last the finely chopped green onions or the spring onions, whatever you call it. This is an appetizer and this is a stir-fry chicken recipe, so you can see I am giving it a good toss and stir frying all the ingredients well. It looks so tempting and delicious. I seriously can't wait to try the fiery chicken recipe right here, right now. Please do give this super easy and quick appetizer recipe a quick try and let me know how was it. Please do subscribe to my channel Show Me's World and see you soon. Bye bye.